Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another episode. It's about 4 o'clock this morning, and the dog just honked the horn at us. So, about 4 o'clock this morning, and we are about to put the boat in the water here. We came up to a different spot here on the Mississippi River, and we're gonna try out one of our old faithful spots to see what happens. So, we're gonna get the boat in the water and get out there today. So, stay tuned. Guys, so it's about like, I don't know, 5:40 right now. Plenty of time to set decoys right now, and we're gonna start out throwing some geese out off of this. So we're just gonna throw some geese off of this point and then start with all the mallards and stuff like that. So guys, I don't know what you guys can see because it is pretty dark out yet, but the wind is blowing like we're getting pretty good gusts here. So I wasn't going to film with the big camera just yet because, like I said, big gusts, so you probably wouldn't be able to hear me with the audio, but on the GoPro you can hear me pretty good regardless of the wind. So we're set up, and we got the spread out, and now we're just waiting here for shooting light. We got about, I don't know, about 15 minutes, and then it's going to be shooting time. So hopefully start cracking some here. All right, guys, we just heard first shots. So yeah, here we go. There we go. There's some ducks right above us there. There's some ducks out in the middle there. Hold on. Take him, Cody. Good shot. Jasper, up. Good shot. Here, boy. Good boy, Jasper. Good boy. Good boy. Here. Drop. Jasper, drop. All right, you got a mallard. Looks like a big. Good shot. First duck. Oh, that. What did I say? You're gonna look at ducks, and then all of a sudden you got to watch the spread. Right there, right out front. They're coming right in. Get ready. Right there. Take them. One went down. He's hurt. There we go. We got one down there. Come on, ducks. Oh my God. Those are ducks. Ducks. Those are pretty high. Get ready, there's two, they're coming right in. Get ready. Get ready. They're cupping up, coming in. They're gonna come around again. Just wait. Here. See him? Just to your right. Here he comes. Shoot it. There you got winged. Jasper, up. Good job. Good bird. Good bird, Jasper. Good job, buddy. Good job. There we go. It's a wood duck. Drop. There you go. Wood duck. I don't know who hit him, but
yeah, it's hard to say.
Good duck.
I know who hit him, but you can have him.
Who hit him?
I did.
Welcome back, everybody. So a little midday update. We got 2 birds down. We should probably have more, but we whiffed on some shots. Super windy right now. It's like 18-mile-an-hour gusts, so if the audio's kind of crackly right now, I apologize. But we got 2 down. Like I said, we've had some good shooting this morning. There's definitely birds around, and we kind of keep getting them in like 1s and 2s. We have been having to shoot a little high on these birds because they're not decoying in. I've changed up the spread a little bit, but a lot of them I think are just kind of shy from yesterday getting shot at. So I think that the only time we're going to get a shot is just on that first pass when we can shoot. So, but yeah, so we're going to stick it out here a little longer and see what happens. I mean, so far we're still getting some movement, so far so good. Oh shit. Got him. Jasper, up. Good stuff, man. We just barely got him in time. I think I got him. I think that was mine. Jasper, up. Jasper, up. Good boy, Jasper. Here. Come here. Here. We'll see here. Good boy, Jasper. Drop. Good boy. Yep. It's a green-winged teal. Yeah. Oh, right here, right here, right here. Get ready, get ready. Get ready. Sit, Jasper, sit. Well, they might sit. Here they come, Cody, right. No bird! No bird! No bird, Jasper. Here. Huh? Oh my gosh, you got him. Jasper, up! Jasper, up! Jasper, up! Oh my gosh. Jasper, up! Good boy. Here, here. I can't believe you just shot that one. You got him. Drop. Good boy. All right, guys, so Cody was walking back from, like, he was over there in that grass patch because he's seen some ducks go down. He thought he could stalk up on them. And on the way back, I seen a group come over and I called at them. And then there was another group that was up there, and they were within range of shooting, and I couldn't get my gun up in time, but Cody, they went right over top of him, and Cody shot, and he splashed like right over there, and he was still alive, so then I shot him and finished him. But gosh, it's just like it happens at the weirdest times. Right there, right there, right there, right there. Got you. You and Jasper both jumped. Jasper was like, oh. Alright guys, so we're gonna pick up some decoys here and then we will talk to you guys on the big camera. Alright everybody, so there you guys seen it. That was our opening weekend here in Wisconsin. So we came up with 4 ducks today. Probably should have shot at some that we didn't, and probably should have hit some that we you know, missed, but that's just how it goes. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Sorry if the audio is really crappy, it's super windy out, but hope you guys enjoyed today's video.